Welcome to the world of 3D printing. If you've ever wondered how to turn your wildest ideas into reality, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the basics of FDM 3D printing, that's fused deposition modeling, one of the most popular and beginner-friendly methods out there. Ready? Let's get started. Imagine a hot glue gun, but way cooler. FDM printing works by melting plastic filament and layering it one line at a time to build your 3D model. It's like stacking pancakes, but instead of syrup, you're using melted plastic. The printer moves in three directions, X, Y, and Z, to create the shape, and before you know it, your design starts to come to life, one layer at a time. Now, let's talk materials. The most common filament types are PLA, ABS, and PEG. PLA is the go-to for beginners. It's eco-friendly, easy to print with, and doesn't require a heated bed. ABS, on the other hand, is tougher and heat-resistant, but it can be a bit tricky because it likes to warp. Then there's PEG, which gives you the best of both worlds. It's strong and easy to work with. So, you've got your printer and you're ready to create. But where do you start? Here are 3 quick tips. 1. Start simple. Begin with easy prints, like basic shapes or practical items like keychains. This helps you get a feel for how your printer works. 2. Level your bed. Trust me, this is crucial. A properly leveled bed means your print sticks and comes out smooth. Most printers have an auto-leveling feature, but it doesn't hurt to double-check. 3. Tinker and learn. Don't be afraid to experiment with settings like temperature and speed. 3D printing is all about learning through doing. Every mistake is a step toward mastery. And that's a wrap on the basics of FDM 3D printing. With these tips in your pocket, you're all set to start creating your own 3D masterpieces. Whether it's a fun figurine or a handy tool, the only limit is your imagination. So, go ahead, power up that printer, and let your creativity flow.